We started out researching and found a study from the Hope project by Aarhus University about how Danes coped with the lockdown. The study showed that during the second lockdown, people exercised less and felt more lonely. According to the World Health Organization, less exercise can cause major problems like non-communicable diseases and worse mental health. This created the foundation for our project. After this, we found out that young people have SARS, access to workout equipment, meaning that we were limited to something universal: phones. We also researched different ways we can motivate people, such as motivation theories, gamification, and competition. Finally, we also researched how people interact with each other online. All of this was put together as the final problem statement. How can a training application motivate young people to exercise using virtual social interaction, motivational theories, and gamification? With our FPS and design requirements established, we proceeded to the application. The process was split into 3 iteration phases, each with its own focus. The first phase was a low-fidelity prototype with a focus on horizontal prototype design. In the second phase, we removed and added functionalities based on the feedback from the first iteration, and we also started polishing the design. In the final iteration, we moved from Adobe XD into Android Studio, where we could add the proper functionalities like webcam and exercise programs. For the final evaluation, we got groups of people in different rooms, each with an Android phone. These testers would be asked to go through the application with the other testers. Following that, they were questioned about how motivated they felt during the app, as well as how the app functioned. From this data, we learned that the majority felt social interaction was a huge motivational factor, but gamification was not that prevalent in the app. Besides a few missing elements, we feel we can conclude that social interaction and certain motivational factors, such as extrinsic motivation, can help motivate people to exercise. We also saw that social interaction was more common with larger groups. Taking in everything from the process, we feel as though the application could be a tool to increase motivation to exercise.